Hi guys, welcome to Pro Tools Expert. My name's Dan Cooper. In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool little trick here that helps to get your vocal tracks front and center in your mixes. Now, some vocals have quite wide dynamic ranges, which can be a bit of an issue in the mix, and you may be tempted to try and squish that dynamic range with one compressor. While this approach does work, often you will over-compress your vocal and it will sound a little bit compromised, if you know what I mean. Why not spread the load across two compressors, so one feeding in to another? Now I've got two compressors here, the CLA-2A by Waves, pretty much my go-to compressor for all vocals. Sounds really nice, it sort of cuddles the vocals in my mix, if you know what I mean. But I find if you hit it too hard, you kind of suck the life out of your vocals and you're still not really getting your vocal to sit proud and front and center in your mix. This is where the CLA-76 inserted after the CLA-2A comes in very handy. Let's have a quick listen to the vocal we're going to be working on in this example.
Come back home, baby, try my love one more time.
Bit loud in the mix, let's pull it down.
Coming back home, baby, try my love one more time. You know things don't go to suit you, I think I'll lose my mind.
Okay, so very wide dynamic range there in that performance. Let's try and rein that in a little bit with the CLA-2A first. So peak reduction first.
Come back home, baby, try my love one more time.
Don't want to hit it too hard.
Coming back home, baby, try my love one more time. You know things don't go to suit you, I think I'll lose my mind.
Okay, just going to put it up in the mix a little bit. Let's just see if that initial part of the performance is popping out the speakers.
Come back home, baby, try my love one more time. Coming back home, baby, try my love one more time.
Right, let's see if we can catch some of that with the 76 after the 2A. Winding the input.
Come back home, baby, try my love one more time. Coming back home, baby, try my love one more time. You know things don't go to suit you, I think I'll lose my mind.
Much, much better. Let's just listen to how that sounded before we fed it through both compressors.
Back home, baby, try my love one more time.
So you can hear the beginning part of that. It's just too loud in the mix, and then when he's singing lower in his register, he sort of gets softer in his performance. But both of these compressors in together helps to even that out, and it doesn't sound squished, which is great.
Back home, baby, try my love one more time. Coming back home, baby, try my love one more time.
Much better. For more information on the CLA-2A and the CLA-76 plugins by Waves, do check out the Waves website. I'm Dan from Pro Tools Expert, and I'll see you again soon.